Hello everyone and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I will show you step by step how to upgrade your RAM from your computer. We are starting by checking the amount of RAM we have now. As you can see, at this moment my laptop has only 16 GB of RAM and I would like to upgrade it up to 32 GB. Now we need to find what RAM type model we got by using the CPU-Z software. Proceed with the installation of this software. Now open the CPU-Z installed software. By clicking on the memory tab, we will get details about our memory RAM type. As you can see, my laptop has DDR4 RAM with the size of 16 GB. Shut down your computer and we need to open it up now. On the back of your laptop, we have to unscrew all the screws. Be careful to put them in a safe place and sorted because they are usually of different sizes. Use the plastic tool to open it easily. For this Asus F15 laptop, the RAM slots are placed on the center back of the motherboard and are covered by some protective stickers. Peel off the protective black sticker and the silver one slowly. Release clamps from the sides of the RAM plates. Slowly peel off the silver protective stickers from the RAM plates. You can use sharp tweezers to peel them nicely, so you can reuse the stickers later on. Glue back the protective silver strips on the RAM plates. Don't you worry if your computer does not have those protective stickers. Only computers that work at high temperatures must use them. Pay a little attention to the fact that all RAMs have connectors split almost in half, and the left part is smaller than the right one. Mount them carefully without forcing them. We have to repeat the process for the second RAM plate. The silver heat protection must be glued back, as well as the black one. I repeat myself, don't you worry if your computer does not have those protective stickers. Reassemble the back cover of the laptop and make sure it is well placed and closed, pressing lightly on its sides. Now we have to open the laptop. Connect the laptop to the charger and turn it on. It might be that the first boot after replacing the RAMs is a little slower than usual. We can open again my files and the CPU-Z software to check if all the 32 GB are perfectly functional. Everything looks fine, and now the computer must be turned off. Now we just have to put the screws back together, and your computer should be running much faster than before. Thank you for watching, and if this video guide helped you, please support my projects on this channel. See you later!